You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, meaning stop in French as a noun, as in a stop. How do you say it? In French it is said as arrêt, arrêt, silent T there, unlike when there is an E at the end, that is more of the verb, which is said as arrête. When there's an E at the end, it makes the T unsilent, if you wish. But here, because there's nothing after it, the T is silent, so arrêt, arrêt is a stop in French. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.